A wide variety of cool season herbs can be grown here in Louisiana during the winter, from about October until May or even June. Now, parsley is one of the easiest, most productive, and best of the herbs that we can grow here during the wintertime. It's indispensable for a wide variety of Louisiana cuisines, and we use parsley for garnishing. And this time of the year, with parties going on and the holidays, parsley, like this curly parsley, is a wonderful addition to platters for garnishing to make them look really great. Now, to grow parsley, you have two choices. The curly parsley that I mentioned is more decorative. It tastes great and you can cook with it, but it also has this pretty appearance. Flat leaf parsley doesn't look quite as pretty, but it does have a stronger flavor and is oftentimes preferred for cuisine or for cooking. Now, either of these works well, or you can use both. Plant them into well-prepared beds with lots of organic matter added in a bright, sunny location. They're quite hardy. They'll take temperatures down into the teens, so you don't have to worry about the parsley being damaged over the winter season. Now, by planting it now here, early in its growing season, you'll have parsley all through December, January, February, all the way until April. Around about April or May, the parsley will bloom. Makes these tiny flowers, let them bloom. They attract parasitic wasps to your garden that will help control other insects. Let them bloom out. When they're finished blooming, pull them up because they're finished and dead. So this is a great time of the year to plant parsley in your garden, and you'll harvest it from now all the way until April or May. Forget it growing. I'm Dan Gill with the LSU AgCenter.